Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. Got another short and sweet tutorial for you today, and this is a really simple single strand stopper knot. So let's get right into it. And by the way, I'm not really sure the name of this knot, so if someone knows, just let me know down below. You're going to start with one end of the paracord, like so. You're going to put a bend in it, just like that. And then from here, you're going to take this end of the paracord and you're going to start wrapping it around everything. Actually go a little smaller. Wrap around once, twice, like so, and then put that end through the loop right there, and then pull down on it like so. Okay, and then from here, just firm it up. Just firm that knot up, get it nice and tight. And there we go, we're pretty much done. So from here, all I'll do now is just clip off that little bit of excess paracord at the end. And you can just melt that. Of course, you can press that melted end down with a smoothing tool or whatever. You just leave it like that. And there we go, a super simple and yet pretty nice looking single strand stopper knot. Right? So I would use this maybe like if you had an end of a bracelet and you had two strands coming out and you wanted to just put a nice little stopper knot on there. You could do that, or you could probably find a bunch of other uses for this knot, right? Super simple. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Remember, if you're looking for where to get paracord and all that good stuff, feel free to check out my affiliate links down below. And as always, huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for making videos like this possible. You can check out what I have to offer on Patreon, link down below as well. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next video. Bye.